Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. This video is all about dies. So I am going to share with you my collection of dies and how I store them. But what are dies and what are they used for? So basically dies are metal shaped for cutting, and they are like cookie cutters but metal. They are used to create custom shapes and designs for labels, for card making, for printing, and they have this raised sharp area for cutting. And you can use this with your die cutting machine. I have a Big Shot Pro and a Big Shot Industrial that I used for bigger die cutting, and I will have another video on how I use them. But you do need a die cutting machine to use all these dies. So for the longest time, I've had this tin metal can that I use to store all my dies, and it worked for me until my dies multiplied. I used to just put all my dies in plastics and then store them here. And let me show you what I mean. So here are my butterfly dies, and I've used some last week and I am still trying to find them because they are buried in my pile of paper. And so yes, I need organization. And then these are some of the dies that are still in their packets. Oh, this is the original packet for the butterflies. And see what I mean? I just put them in plastics and just put everything here. And this was fine, but it is more time consuming when I want to find something that I really need and I have to go all through this pile. I mean, I don't have a lot compared with other people, but I think there is a better way to organize these dies. And so that was my project last week, was to just put everything in a more organized manner. And I bought this from Amazon. These are magnetic adhesive sheet, and they come in 15 per pack, and the size is 8 by 10 inches. They come in black color and the thickness is 20 mil, and they have protective coating on the back, and I cut them to the size that I want. And then I bought this plastics by Avery, and they come in 50 per pack. The size is 5.5 by 7 3/8. So these are packets. I will provide the link of Amazon in my description, but I just would like to mention I'm not affiliated with Amazon and I'm not affiliated with these companies. So if you're interested, just click on the link below. And now, this is what I use to store my dies. I put the bigger dies in this pocket, and it's easier for me to just look, and in this pocket are the smaller dies. My plan is to have a plastic folder where I can just put them all, and I will be able to just flip through, and that would be easier. But for now, this works better than having them in plastics and storing them in a tin can. So these are my months, and I know I am missing 1 month, but it's easier also to know what I'm missing. And I organize them in a way that works for me. These are really beautiful dies. And this is for Christmas. I want to also organize them by season, and I know I will get to that point. And these are great for background. These are the border dies. So I don't have too many, but enough for me to really, make beautiful things. And most of these dies I have not even used. I just like collecting, storing them. I know, that's bad. We should only be buying what we can use. These are my favorite tags, and these are great for borders. This is for Easter. I have the Elizabeth design dies that I really think I have lots, and I'm not really using all of them. So I am going to stop buying from now on. I just would probably invest on the things that I need to organize these. And so these are the dies, and we are going to put some in here. And these dies are great for bullet journaling, but I haven't really done that, so I haven't really used much of my Elizabeth craft design dies, and I know I need to use them. There are so many things that we can do with these dies, but I find that there's just not enough time to make projects. Okay, so I think that should work, and we can add more. Let's put this big half heart here. Oh, actually this one is better. I think that's okay. Yeah, the dies are safe like that. And let's put this back in the plastic sheet. I have one more, and I've ordered another set from Amazon, so I am just waiting for that to arrive, and I will be able to put everything in these magnetic sheets, and that is so much better. So this is what we can do if we are on a budget. I'm not sure if these magnetic sheets are available in dollar stores, but I haven't really looked. I haven't been back to the dollar store yet. And if they do have them even in smaller sheets, I would definitely grab some and see how they work. I think this is okay. And I can add one more in this group. There's still space, I believe. So let me see. Okay, so this should be okay. So there you go, everyone. This is how I organize my dies now. I know there is a better way and a better solution, but I am on a budget, and for me this works, and this is better than what I used to do when everything is just in plastics and in a tin can. So these still needs to have their magnetic sheets, and as soon as I get them, then I'm all set. So if you have your own way of organizing your dies, a better way maybe, or a suggestion, I would love to hear that, and maybe you can put a link of your video if you have one. And I hope you like this. Let me know what you think. And so I am just putting them back in this binder, and I love this binder. Again, I got this from the thrift store, and I just invested 75 cents, and now this is a house for all my dies. So there you go, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and thank you for being here with me, and I hope you have a good weekend. Take care, everyone. And if you're not a subscriber, please do not forget to subscribe. God bless you. Take care. Bye now.